I was skeptical about him eating garlic and cinnamon, but the evidence was right there in his morning mood. He stopped hitting the snooze button and started jumping straight into his day. It felt like watching someone get a fresh start every single morning.